Hey guys, it's Yan. Welcome back to my channel. I hate doing intros. So I've really been meaning to film after my last video for quite a few times, but then I wasn't really there mentally and physically, and that's why I haven't posted on YouTube for such a long time. So right after my last video, I went on a mini trip with my boyfriend to Osaka in Japan. It was amazing, and after that I kind of lost my motivation on filming.
This is just a really quick life update. If you guys want to skip to like the actual video, then I'll put the time mark around here.
We filmed quite a bit in that trip. I just haven't really had the time to like edit all the videos because there are over 100 videos if I remember correctly, so that's just crazy. And I have been getting ill all the time, but me now currently I am recovering from a cold, and that's why you might hear me like sniffle a bit or my voice is a bit raspy or something. It's pretty late at night while I'm filming this, but I just really want to film a video whenever I have the time or the motivation to do so. This is the time, and let's just get on with it.
I've tried to make myself look prettier for this video, and if I don't, I'm sorry.
So I'm not sure how many of you know about this. I went to the US for an exchange program through my university at the time. During my time in US, I made good use of like my geographic location, because a lot of the things that you can get in the US, you cannot get it in Hong Kong. I found myself really loving monthly subscription beauty boxes. I was really liking BoxyCharm at the time when I was in US. It's really good for value. I think it was like last year or a few months ago, I noticed one brand which is called, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, but it's called Focallure. It just came up across on my Instagram page as like a sponsored ad. So I clicked on it and I found out they have a beauty box, and one that actually ships to Hong Kong. I'm not sure where they're based, but they ship to Hong Kong, so that's huge. Beauty boxes that are huge in the US, they don't ship internationally. I really wish BoxyCharm would, but anyway, so this brand Focallure, they have monthly beauty subscriptions, so it's just the same as BoxyCharm. So you pay a certain amount of money per month and they will send you a box full of beauty products. So the monthly subscription that Focallure has, it's called the BabeBox. I have 3 of them with me right here. So before we get into the box, let's get a bit into the brand itself first. Folklore, it's a cruelty-free beauty brand, so they have their own brand of makeup on their website that you can get, and they also have a bunch of different stuff other than makeup, for example like hair care, skincare, nail care, hair removal. Sorry, what was I? They have a lot of different categories. They also carry different brands like Korean brands, Japanese brands, and some brands that I've never heard before. As for their beauty box, what really intrigued me in the first place is that I can get my first month of beauty box free of charge if I'm not satisfied with the box, and I can cancel my subscription at any time. There are 5 to 6 full-sized products included only. It's not gonna be more or less than that, and they are all full-size products. They claim to be. You'll get more than $100 value of products in the box, and you only pay for $29 per month. If I haven't mentioned that already, I'm so sorry. They also mentioned that the BabeBox is 100% cruelty free. Every single product, even it's not from their brand, they are cruelty free. I got 3 boxes, so that's 3 months of subscription. By now I can already tell you that I canceled my subscription to Focallure because I'll get there in a bit. I'm gonna just open all the boxes for you to see, and then we'll try on all the products like all together. Okay, so getting into my first box, this is what the box itself looked like. This is my first free box. They included 5 products in here, so unlike BoxyCharm, they don't really have like the whole card that has a theme and includes all the details of the products and the price and everything, but it's all good. Anywho, I got a kabuki brush, a liquid eyebrow pen, no glue eyelashes, matte finishing setting spray, and 1 lacquer lipstick that's from their brand Focallure. The second box that I got, I was less impressed obviously because like It looks way less than the first box. Eye mask, it's just like a one-time use kind of thing. Eye and face primer, transparent lip gloss, ultra chic lip, I think it's a liquid lipstick. Also something called a color mix from Focallure. I haven't opened any of these products, but I'm guessing this is a eyeshadow maybe. Oh, I have the card on this one. From the third box we got 6 items. Eyeshadow pencil from Focallure, their own brand. Another lip product from Folklore. Oh, I used to love this. This is like the blackhead remover. It's really famous back in the days. Korean brand called Holika Holika. Pre-makeup essence, which I'm guessing it's a serum type of a primer. Oval brush. 1 vitamin B face mask. 1 additional $10 gift card. So you can see that in every box, Focallure tried to include some of their products, which I personally really appreciate, because at the end of the day, if they have their own brand of makeup and I'm interested in their monthly subscription, I'd expect to try some of their makeup out, right? And not just like a bunch of products from other brands that I can get anywhere. So let me grab all the Focallure products to test out on my arms first right now. So in my first box, I got this lacquer lipstick by Focallure in the shade 14, which is called Coral Red.
I haven't touched any of these products.
You can see that the sticker is already coming off for some reason. The bullet itself, it's scratched a little bit. The shade itself is really pretty, but I'm one of those people that are really into details. It's these details that kind of throw me off a bit. Ooh. This actually feels really creamy, kind of melts on your hand a bit. So the pigmentation, the choice of shade, the formula feels pretty nice on my hand. And another thing that I do like about this lipstick in particular is that they have this magnetic cap, which is so... For the second product that I got in their second box is this ultra chic lip in the shade Jazzberry. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it's a metallic. Pretty nice, shiny, slightly blotchy, and has a weird smell to it. It's like a chocolatey scent, but in a chemical way. I don't like it. This eyeshadow pencil. Oh. This eyeshadow pencil is in the shade Copper. It's actually really creamy on the hand. The Lips Crayon. This is in the shade Crimson. Oh, this is actually a really pretty shade. This might be my favorite out of all of them. It's not a really crimson shade to me. It doesn't sound crimson. It's more of a rosy, nice pink. The lip crayon has this like a crayony smell, but yeah, that shade looks nice. This is called the Color Mix. It's in the shade Tipsy. I'm a bit confused because this is like one single product, but on the packaging it has 4 lists of ingredients of 2 different eyeshadows, 1 highlighting powder, and a blusher.
This is only one product. It can't have like 4 different formulations.
I think this might be a blush. This is pretty pigmented as well, if you can tell. Given that all these products are cruelty-free, I'm really excited to try their products from their own brands. So let's get into other products from the BabeBox. So out of these 3 boxes, I got 2 different type of makeup brushes. One of them is this Kabuki brush. I think it's from their own brand, I'm not too sure. But it feels really soft. It has a nice chunky handle if you like it. I imagine that it'd just be really hard to store because it's so fat and chunky. As for the other one, this is like their own twist of the Artis oval brush, because I do actually own an Artis brush and this feels so far from it. I know that Artis is really expensive and this is just like a thing that you get in a subscription box. It's really stiff. I don't really see myself using this a lot. I mean, if I do, I would update you guys in the description box below. I'm not excited for this product, to be honest. There are also other face products that I got in the 3 boxes. One of them is the eye and face primer, and it's this tiny. Who else would create a face primer full size in this size? Like, to me, this is not a full size. This is not a Focallure brand product. If it's an eye primer, then fine. But for a face primer, it says it's an eye and face primer. Like, I'm still gonna try it on, obviously. Oh, okay, finally. Thankfully, this doesn't have any smell to it. I mean, I don't know, like for these products themselves, I definitely have to try them for a longer period of time. Just commenting on the box, I don't think this is a full-size product for a face primer. It says iron face, so it should be bigger, right? Another face product, this is called the Pre-Makeup Essence. It also says it's a facial treatment essence, so I'm guessing it's more like a serum. Whoa. How? There are so much shimmer. There are a ton of shimmer in this product. I don't know how I can apply this. There's just... I mean, I get if you want like the luminosity and like all the shimmeriness, but these are just chunks of glitter. I'm not sure if you can see. It's actually really harsh on your skin. It's not something that I would want to put on my skin as a makeup base. Here's to trying new things, right? I'm not impressed with this product, but if it works well, I would let you know. The last face product is this mattifying setting spray. Let's see the spray. Oh. It actually doesn't go that far. Nothing was on my face just now, okay. Nope. It doesn't spray far enough. I have to get this close to spray my face. It can't evenly distribute anything on my face. It smells something chemically, but you'll notice that they made an effort to make it smell like cotton candy. Just want to see if it mattifies anything. Other eye products, one liquid eyebrow pen and one pair of false lashes. For the liquid eyebrow pen, I think it's a Korean design that they have 3 spikes on the head. Pretty pigmented. It says it's 24 hours waterproof, tattoo sense of super durable. I think that's somehow grammatically wrong. This is the pair of false lashes that I got. I'm not going to open it now. It looks pretty nice and it would be great for me to wear when I have a show, when I have to perform or anything. The transparent lip gloss, which when I saw this, I was like, really? I mean, don't get me wrong, a lot of people love transparent glosses, but I mean, the whole thing about subscription box is to try out brand new things. Maybe it's just me. It's not something that I would say like, whoa, this is so new to me. Maybe this is life-changing, okay? Maybe it is. I don't know, it's just a bit too basic for me. I'm most unimpressed about these two. Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. Powder eye mask? I have no idea. The other one is this Holika Pig Nose Clear Blackhead 3-Step Kit. It's not to say these products aren't good. Like one film of this, do you know how cheap this is to get in Korea? Or in Hong Kong even. I can get a bunch of these nose strips with a really affordable price. Oh wait, there's also another mask. I don't know. I mean, like for like a full face mask, maybe it's the fact that I don't use eye masks at all. I just thought they could put something more good for value. So those are all 16 products that I got from the BabeBox. Just not satisfied about their subscription boxes in general. First, they charge $29 per month. I think that's even a bit more pricier than BoxyCharm. Folklore really has to up their game. A lot of these products, excluding the products from their own brand and that Holika nose strip thingy, I have no idea what those brands are. I don't know what they do. I don't know how they perform. I don't know where they're from. A lot of the product addresses refer back to a location in China, which I'm so confused. I would think that these are brands from China. Obviously, I can dive deeper into all these individual products, but then it would be way too long a video to include. My review is not on the products, but on the box. Focallure's subscription box. I don't think it's great value for money. There's a lot of affordable brands out there that they could have included, but obviously I don't know the politics behind the brand. That's the reason why I cancelled out my subscription. Another thing that I'm not too impressed about the brand is that when I emailed them that I want to cancel my subscription, because that's the only way that you can do it, I had to wait a few business days to get a reply. I sent my first email already saying that I want to cancel my subscription. I have to wait for, I don't know, like 3 to 4 business days to get one reply, and that one reply is their team saying,
"Can you tell us why?"
That's it. They didn't say that it's cancelled. Yeah, you can ask me why, you can gather information, opinions, comments, critics, whatever. The moment when I tell you that I want to cancel it, I would want to cancel my subscription as soon as possible. Looking back into the timeline of everything, the day that I sent my first email was a few days right before another charging date. I think it's on that day or the day after when they charged the credit card. They emailed me back saying, what's wrong with the boxes? Are you trying to scam me? I just let it go. I just told them, yeah, I want to cancel. The products don't work for me. They took quite a bit of time to reply me that my subscription is actually cancelled. Till now, there isn't really any unusual activities on the card that I registered. If you're interested in anything like this, if you live in Hong Kong, you can look into Focallure, but you need to do your homework in reading reviews online, finding reviews on YouTube like this. If you're fine with the price and the products, then yeah, why not? Get the box yourself. If you're not okay with anything that I mentioned in this video, don't buy the subscription box. It's not a subscription box that I would recommend. If you live in the US though, you should get BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm. Can I just go back to the US please? So that's it for this video. I can feel that it's pretty long. I'm so glad to be filming again, and I'll try to get everything up to my speed. So in the meantime, like my video if you've enjoyed watching me. If you want to see more of my face, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell. I'll see you guys next time, hopefully real soon.